Ladies and gentlemen, repeat after me. I am a financially free investor that is no longer a prisoner of the clock. When I wake up, I can do what I want to do and I can go where I want to go. No longer do I have to take orders from anyone for a paycheck. Welcome back to Grow Rich, Grow Happy, guys, the place where we follow the breadcrumbs to wealth. Today is a big day. Today is a major day. Today, the Ethereum ETF goes public. This is big. This is not only big, but I believe that it's big for Ethereum, yes, but it's also big for crypto as a whole. You see, you see what they did there. They eased Bitcoin in and they got people used to cryptocurrency, used to, oh, I don't know much about cryptocurrency, but I'm gonna put a little bit in Bitcoin because I've been hearing a lot about it and I just don't want to miss out. And then once they had you, once they had that door cracked, they what I tell you about Bitcoin being the celebrity, the big celebrity of the party. It's the one that gets in plus however many it wants to bring in. Then Bitcoin, while that door is open, says, come on in, Ethereum. Come on in. And then while that door is open, they can say, come on in, Solana. Come on in, XRP. Come on in, Casper. Come on in, your favorite crypto. And before you know it, boom, crypto's there. So I'm excited. I'm excited about this. I'm actually trading on MARGEX. I actually have a code down below for you guys. You can leverage trade on MARGEX. I've been playing around with it, and I got a long trade out on Ethereum. So I'm anxious to see what that do. I think I traded up to 25 leverage, which is cool because I only put in like $100, and I'm just getting my feet wet. So you guys can check that out down below. Also, check out all my other discount codes. For all the new subscribers, welcome to the wonderful community. If this is your first time here, make sure you smash that like button. Consider, giving me a sub and hitting that bell notification so that you don't miss a video when I upload. So, what we're going to talk about today, guys, we're going to talk about um, an article or some rumblings that's going on around uh, Crypto X or Twitter, however you want to call it. And it's some news, and this is old news. It's like a day old, but I want to use this to illustrate where we are with crypto. And I always feel like, for some reason, I'm trying to convince people, like I'm trying hard to convince beginners to, jump in crypto. And it's not that, but I feel like I am. I feel like I'm always, like I gotta prove to you guys that you don't want to miss out on crypto. You don't want to miss out on this. And then I find myself doing these kind of videos anyway. But I think it's because I care. I give a damn because I just remember so long ago, but don't really feel like that long ago, when somebody, begged me to take advantage of crypto. They didn't beg me, but they kind of like, here, here's Bitcoin, here's this wonderful opportunity for $300, and all you got to do is just jump in. And I didn't, and because of that, that's why I'm so passionate now about convincing you guys. There it is again. I'm convincing you guys to get off into this thing called cryptocurrency because I know it can change your lives. And not only can it change your lives, this is the opportunity right here. But anyway, again, I'm about to show you a breadcrumb. I'm about to show you a breadcrumb. So here we go. Let me jump over here, and I'm going to show you this article that I was looking at last night, actually. And it says Trump's Treasury Secretary choice, Larry Fink. Amid Bitcoin's friendly speculations, Larry Fink is the CEO of BlackRock, the world's largest asset holder. They actually have managed some of Donald Trump's assets. So Uh, and they also, if in case you really live under a rock, they are responsible for a big part of it for bringing in Bitcoin and also bringing in Ethereum. And I can't wait to see what's next. Hopefully, it's Solana. Um, so yeah, so these guys are in favor of cryptocurrency. Now they're saying, uh, as upcoming U.S. elections, and here we go. Here I want to just because I'm connect the dots for you guys. As the upcoming U.S. elections draw near, discussions around key appointments such as the Treasury Secretary intensify. Among noteworthy names being considered are BlackRock CEO Larry Fink and J.P. Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon. The speculation has sparked wide-ranging debates within the financial and crypto communities. Now, here's the thing: for any of, and I'm just gonna give you their background right quick because this is it's important. Now, here's a little bit about Larry Fink for those of you who don't know, and actually, I'm surprised how many people don't aren't really familiar with BlackRock. I've been, in a lot of crypto discussions with different people I know, family members and associates and friends and different things, and I call the name BlackRock, and a lot of people's like, you can see the deer in the headlights look, and I'm like, you don't know who BlackRock is? Wow. So tell you, and that makes me understand that a lot of people are just not in tune to a lot of this. So I'm not gonna talk as if you guys know who BlackRock is. But anyway, so a little bit about Larry Fink. With the U.S. Elections on the horizon, speculation is riff with about who might be appointed to key governmental positions should Donald Trump win. One prominent name making the rounds is Larry Fink, the CEO of BlackRock. Fink's long-standing business relationships with Trump amplify these rumors. Notably, BlackRock has managed much of Trump's financial portfolio over the years, making Fink a viable candidate for the Treasury Secretary role. Now, they say Larry Fink's, here we go, Larry Fink's appointment could be significant for the financial markets, especially for the cryptocurrency sector. And I've basically told you why. Obviously, and I showed you video, I want to say last week, where he said that 5 years ago, and this is Larry Fink I'm talking about, 5 years ago, he was a skeptic of Bitcoin. And I remember he was pushing people not to have any in your portfolio. And I was steady collecting crypto even back then, like whatever. So, and he said that after more studying and different things, now he's a believer in Bitcoin. Well, I say all that's hogwash. He was already a believer in Bitcoin. But I'm not going to get into that in this video. Anyway, with him getting in office, or shall I say becoming the secretary, I think that will be good for just crypto overall, considering he's already invested. He's already invested, and they're trying to bring all these ETFs to the sector. And then Donald Trump is pro crypto, at least Bitcoin. So I think all of these are great, and these are the breadcrumbs when you say, okay, maybe I should be buying some more of this crypto. Well, anyway, it says BlackRock's previous management of Trump's Obsidian Fund shows their deep financial connections. This relationship suggests that Fink's policies might be more favorable towards cryptocurrencies compared to Jamie Dimon, known for his anti-Bitcoin stance. Okay, now consequently, Fink's appointment could be welcomed by Bitcoin advocates who have expressed concerns about Dimon's potential policies. So again, there you go with crypto in this narrative. Now, Jamie Dimon, a little bit about him and the whole J.P. Morgan thing. I hope you guys have heard of J.P. Morgan. Okay, despite the speculation surrounding Larry Fink, Jamie Dimon, the CEO of J.P. Morgan Chase, is also a strong contender for the Treasury Secretary position. Donald Trump has openly praised Dimon on numerous occasions, indicating his preference for the JP Morgan boss. Diamond's seasoned experience in the banking industry and his leadership at one of the largest financial institutions in the world positioned him as a formidable candidate. Now, the whole thing with Diamond and him being experienced in the banking industry, it's no surprise to me that he will be anti-Bitcoin because Bitcoin and cryptocurrency kind of pushes those guys aside when it comes to banking because it gives people back the power. So totally understand why he would not be in favor of Bitcoin. Now, they say while Diamond's credentials are impressive, his known skepticism towards Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have raised concerns within the crypto community. If appointed, Diamond's policies might be less accommodating to the burgeoning crypto market, creating uncertainty for investors and stakeholders. On the other hand, his conservative stance could bring stability to traditional banking sectors. There you go again with the banking, which may be Trump's rationale for considering him. Now, guys, I bring you that because it seems like we're at a crossroads right here with these two. And that is, again, if Donald Trump wins the political race. But it looks like cryptocurrency is still right there. Right there. They say 20% of the votes this particular coming election is the whole crypto community. At least I know I'm on that side. But I look at this, guys, and I look at his breadcrumbs, and either way, it's you look at it, you think it's a die roll or not. Crypto's not going anywhere. Crypto's huge. Crypto's huge, especially I've told you guys many times, especially outside the country. And depending on who get in office, this is the way I see it. It really hinges with people saying to themselves, well, this lets me know if I'm going to stay in the United States or I might move out the country where crypto is more accepted. Because I'm sorry, even for myself, I make a you know ton of money in crypto, and the United States is not just that widely accepting of crypto. You really have to look like, dang, well, maybe I need to go where my money's good. It's just something to think about. But either way, I really feel like people, you guys should really, I go with the convincing again. Guys should be looking at cryptocurrency. It's an opportunity, and age doesn't have anything to do with it. You have people that are of the newer generations who understand and getting into crypto, and then you have the older generations, the people who say they just don't understand crypto. It's a scam. I'm going to use things the way I used to. It's kind of like the whole thing between people using smartphones, and then you see people out there still, the older generation still using flip phones. Which is better for you? I say, again, you look at the people with the smartphones. Like, do you know how much stuff you can do with this smartphone? You can't do nothing with the flip phone. So I just think either way it go, regardless what age bracket you fit into, crypto is something that you really should research. You should research, and you should really consider if it's for you. And again, if you miss out on what's turning out to be kind of like when the internet came on the scene, it's that major. If you miss out on that, and you've had all these opportunities thrown at you from all kind of different ways, and you just swatted them out the way. I hope you're okay with that, and I hope you're right. All right, until the next one, guys. Good morning. I'm out.